Hey guys, welcome back to DJ's Workshop. Today I'm going to be doing a little project on the FJ Cruiser. In the back of the vehicle, I want to put a storage container. Now a lot of people will build a box with sliding drawers, and I've done that before on my other vehicles. I don't necessarily want drawers on this one for a couple of reasons. One is I want to try to save money, and I want to try to save weight. So I think I can build what I want out of one sheet of plywood instead of two. And I'm going to save the weight of the extra drawers and the slides and all that stuff. So what I'm going to basically build is a box that has two flip-up lids. And it'll store the same amount of stuff as if I had drawers, probably even a little bit more because I don't have the drawers. Now I don't think I'm going to film me actually building it. It's very cold out today, and I just want to get it done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and build it, but then when I'm done, I will show you what I built, and I'll try to get some measurements for you in case you guys want to build one, just so you know how much wood you need and what size pieces and all that. So I'm on my way to Home Depot this morning. I'm going to go grab some plywood, and basically all I need, I believe, is going to be a sheet of plywood, some hinges, and some wood glue, and I should have everything else I need at home as far as nails and whatnot. So we're going to take a little ride. I'm going to grab a coffee, try to warm up a little bit, and we'll get back home. We'll start building this box. I don't think it's going to be too big a deal. It's not a huge box like is in my pickup. That's the other thing too. Like when you have a pickup truck, you have a 8-foot bed, and you want those long drawers so you can slide them way out and get access to the stuff way in the back. But with the FJ, it's it's a short little area in the back here, so you don't even need to do that. You can just flip the lid and easily reach everything that you need. Alright, so I'm going to go for a little ride, grab what I need, get back to the house, get working on it, and then I'll show you what I end up with. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is what I made. This is the completed product. So like I said, I didn't want to put pull-out drawers because I don't really need it for the depth because it's not that deep. If you have the deep 8-foot beds, you need it to pull it way out to get in the back, but I don't need that. So I don't plan on putting a lot of stuff on top of here, like refrigerators and all kinds of camping gear. So if you do that, you may want to do the pull-out drawers, but I don't plan on doing that. So I just wanted something that I could store stuff inside, and then I can put groceries and whatever I need on top. So what I did is I made the box, and then I made it with two lids, okay? And there's a couple of reasons that I did this. Now, one of the other reasons I did it was because on the FJs, they have a power pack on the side here, and I still wanted to be able to utilize that. It's an inverter, so I like to have my jump pack, and I like to keep it charged. And by plugging it in there, I can keep it charged as I'm driving along. So that's one of the main reasons I didn't want a drawer, because if I had a drawer there, I wouldn't be able to use that. Okay, now you can see I got plenty of room here. I'm going to use one side just for all my tools and stuff. I'll use the other side for, whatever, clothing, whatever, else I want to keep in here, just to have. So that's what I did, and that's what I wanted. I didn't want the drawers. I did it on my other vehicle. It was good for that. I don't need it for this. I think this is going to work out better for me. I do have the carpet still for the floor of the FJ. I'll throw that on top of here, and that'll just protect it a little bit. I do have the rubber mat also, so I can put that back on there also. But that's what I did. So let me give you some rough measurements as to what size I needed. So hang on. Okay, so the top and the bottoms were 42 wide by 28.5 deep. The front and the back were 42 by 9, so I made it 9 inches tall all the way around. The sides were the top was 42 by 8.5 on the back part, and then 20 by 21 on the doors, and then the sides were 27 3/4 by 9. So I was able to make this out of one sheet of plywood, with the exception of this middle divider. I had to use a scrap piece. I doubled it up, so it's 2 1/2 inches, so it makes an inch in the middle. That was the only piece I couldn't get out of the 4x8 sheet that I bought. So like I say, I wanted to do it with 1 sheet of plywood instead of having to buy 2. I didn't want to have to buy the draw slides. I didn't want to have to add the extra weight. You know, sometimes these drawers can get in the way of the doors when you're pulling them out, so I didn't want to deal with that. But one of the main things was that plug there. I wanted to be able to still utilize that, and I wouldn't have been able to with a slide drawer there. So that's what I did, guys. And you know, if you're just looking for some extra storage, but you don't really want to get involved in the drawers, or you don't really need them, this may be an alternative for you. I see a lot of people do the drawer slides. I haven't seen anybody do a box like this, so I figured I'd do it on mine. I'd post a video in case you guys like it and you want to make something for your FJ. Alright guys, if you like the video, give a thumbs up, a like, a share, and subscribe if you haven't. Tell your friends, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.